She tries to keep a straight. I was just yawning, and I thought that when the video started, I was gonna be like. It wasn't.
Yo, we're fucking so sick of this video bullshit. You're our last video.
You were the last one.
And, like, we were so hyper before, and now...
It's like, fuck all of you.
Yeah, fuck the rest, niggas.
And then I was like, oh, Steve. And I was like, I hope Steve likes it, because I can't stop singing Black and Yellow, and I think it's his fault. And I'm like...
I have a song that's stuck in my head, and it's from a 14-year-old... Okay, maybe he's 12, and he sings it.
Cody?
Yes, he's from Australia.
I
had to...
Now JP liked it, so
Alright.
he has to do his video.
You're the second last.
You are the second last.
You suck. Kelly. So this is my shower back here. You're gonna be the first to see it!
Yeah.
Beautiful. Meaning it's really not that beautiful. Got some body wash.
Maybe we should just shower right now.
Ooh, doesn't that sound good? Dang it.
You beat.
He would like that too, because
Everything is delayed.
I'm gonna put